Hey, it's Carla. Hey.
Birthday.
How's it going? So do you have any message for yourself? No, I'm just kidding.
No.
Yeah. I'm just gonna move around. Hi. Do you have any message for Carla?
Sorry, I'm eating. Happy birthday. I hope you have fun. I'm sorry that you dropped your phone into a bucket of water today. We'll buy you a new one tomorrow.
Okay. What are you eating? Nice. That's Carla's cooking. Right
Chicken.
there.
Well, it was chicken.
It was
Bones
chicken. Now it's nothing. Oh, there she is. Ah, she's just right there. Boom! Ganun na ito natin. Boom! Need head cleaning? What does need head cleaning mean?
Yung tape or something.
Wait. Surely I realize. Oh, who's this beautiful lady? Anything to say for Carla?
Happy birthday, Carla. Alam mo na sinabi lahat ng baraha kung ano dapat nang masabi. Kasi hindi na gaga hindi.
Oh, soulmate ba? Pareho kayong ano?
Magiging ganap na pang-apat na girlfriend ka na raw, Ruben.
Oo, kaya wala nang makakuha ng...
Una mo yung ano yung kamag-anak.
Kaya ka ba?
Ano, Cholo? Anything to say? Kumusta yung food?
Binuhat niya na ang lahat ng sasabihin niya. Nagkargador facto!
Tapos pinalitan.
Ay, meron pala. Huwag ka na raw makikinig sa advice ni Becky, sabi ng baraha.
Hey, any message for Carla?
Earn more money!
Earn more money!
Money! Happy birthday, Carla.
Happy birthday!
Love you.
And say love.
Love you.
More love.
More love.
Yes.
The kids love money.
Yeah, more love and more money. Yes, there will be more love, there's more money. This is partner Gino. Hey, any message for the birthday girl?
Happy birthday. You gave me too much to drink. God bless.
God bless. Right here we have caricature going on. Hey, what's up, man? Can you talk while he's drawing you? No problem. Yeah, it's all good. Hey, man, say, Carla.
Happy birthday, Carla.
Happy birthday. Cheers!
Cheers.
Woo! Gusto, men, mahirap. Hirapin mo ka.
Okay lang.
Ano naman? Yeah.
Hey,
Cousin Tanya. Boyfriend Alex.
happy birthday, Carla.
Happy birthday. Nice. No, just kidding. Kumari tumatakbo tayo.
Papakarikature ako, baka makita sa caricature yung big
Bro, message for Carla.
Hi, Carla. Ang payat mo na. What's your secret?
Ang secret niya, whisper with wings.
Sobra.
Joke lang. O kumari tumatakbo tayo. Hi, family. I mean to say for Carla.
Happy birthday, Carla. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Cheers.
Happy birthday, Carla.
Cheers.
Love you, Carla.
And loving family right there. Finishing the cheesecake. Yes. Sugar levels are high. So, brother, right here.
Hi.
Ayun. Message.
Happy birthday, and I hope that your business is going to be more successful. I mean, more customers, more reservations, more TV ads, more birthdays to come.
Whoa! What the hell was that?
I don't know.
It was nothing. Okay, wala pang monster. Guys, may monster! Kaya ba ako magka-monster? Sabihin mo muna yung message mo para sa kapatid mo.
Ay, ganun ba? Akala ko man.
Oh, wala naman.
Ate Carla, happy birthday. Kahit masamang kapatid ako, kahit di ko pinapagamit sa yung computer, sana mahal mo pa rin ako. Yun lang po.
Yay! Message.
Message ko? Ito na sa Ate Carla.
Hindi ko alam eh.
Ito na sa Ate Carla.
24. Siyempre, lumingon pa ako ron. Para naman ako.
Si Carla, 24 ka na. Next year, 25 ka na.
Yay!
Happy birthday! Oh my God.
Happy birthday.
Parents.
Birthday ni Carla.
Hey! Wait lang. Boom! Doon ulit yung monster, kunwari. Boom!
Ano, Cloverfield?
Oo, kunwari. Okay, Ford. This is Carla's car. Her trusty steed. Yes. This is what brings her to work every day. Okay naman. They're here to party people. Ayun, the baby. Maybe the baby has something to say.
I miss your kid.
What's up? How you doing?
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! This sunflower crackers are really good. Did you make these? I love them very much.
Oops. Sorry. Yeah. We have the henna right here. Responsible for this. I don't know if you saw that. Ito na, ang larawan ni Alex. Sa Massimo eh.
Magkamali ka pa ba?
Oh. Here's where everybody takes their pictures. Yes, it's a red carpet thing. So you can see a lot of people has trampled on the said carpet. There's a boom getting emo right there. And the guard getting emo too. That's freaky. Hi there, what are you writing?
Carla.
Carla, happy birthday. Hey.
You have to say happy birthday, Carla.
Say happy birthday. 1, 2, 3, go.
Say happy birthday.
Oh, it's alright. We'll just take a look at her message. Happy birthday to one of my prettiest friends. Is that you? No, that's somebody else. Oh, here's one from Peyton. Happy birthday, love, Peyton. That's cool.